I have worked for 12 hours or 8 hours for the last 2 years. I've completely eliminated my procrastination, and it's absolutely effortless for me. But before that, I was really lazy, couldn't even do 30 minutes of good work. This is exactly how I actually stopped procrastinating. The first thing is sleep early. I just slept early because staying up till 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. has no benefits. Just sleep early and get up early. That's it. The next thing is before sleeping, I would make a to do list of what I'm gonna do the next day, and it will only include the most important task of the day. This task is called Eat the Frog task. Imagine you are given a frog, alive frog to eat. Will you eat it before the dinner or will you eat it after the dinner? If you eat it before the dinner, you can easily eat the dinner later and the taste is gonna be good. But if you eat the dinner first, then you have to eat the frog later and its taste is gonna be bad, and then you're gonna keep pushing it away and away. That's why eat the frog first thing in the morning. Do the most important task first thing in the morning. Momentum also comes into the play. I have a timetable on my phone wallpaper. I look at it all the time. Anyone who takes my phone can look at that timetable. I just follow it as best as I can. Make your ideal day, your ideal timetable, and then just follow it as best as you can. Now, the other thing that just drastically improved my productivity is diet. Yeah, diet. I know now you're thinking, oh, but how does diet come into diet is really important. When you eat carbs and stupid shit, your brain doesn't work at that high capacity. Your brain doesn't work at that level. Imagine you have brain points. Imagine you have 100 brain points, and to do a task, you need 90 brain points. But you ate a pizza last night. That pizza decreased your brain points to 50 points. Now, when you wake up the next day, the task needs 90 brain points, but you only have 50 brain points because you ate that pizza and now you have brain fog. You can't do the task. You can't. You need to have those brain points. Just follow this. This has worked wonders for me. And one extra tip is do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the fun. Do all this, sleep early, make a to do list for the next day, wake up early, work on the most important task, eat the frog task, have a good diet. I recommend fasting when you are working. Like I am fasting right now. I haven't ate anything. When you fast, your brain just works at a different level. So then you need momentum. Do not miss any days. Just keep working and working. And one extra tip I remember is deep work. Do a deep work session. Do a deep work blog. Work for 1 hour, 30 minutes straight. Do not be like, oh, I have a notification on my phone. Turn off those notifications. You don't need them. Nobody gives a shit about that. I hope this helps, bro. Take action. Don't be a chomo. See you soon.